How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. This tutorial shows you how to create Instagram highlights privately without your followers seeing them. First, launch the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, the home feed will appear displaying posts from accounts you follow. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Moving forward, select Settings from the menu options that appear. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. In addition to that, tap on Story to manage your story privacy options. Once this page opens, look for Hide Story From option in the list. Subsequently, tap on Hide Story From to select who can't see your stories. Moreover, you'll see your complete followers list displayed on the screen. Afterwards, tap on Select All or manually select all your followers to hide from everyone. Then, tap on Done or the checkmark icon to save these privacy settings. Within this section, go back to your main profile or home screen. Alternatively, tap on the plus icon to create a new story post. Once the story creation screen opens, select a photo or video you want to add. Then customize it with stickers, text, or filters if desired. Afterwards, tap on your story to post it, but remember it's hidden from all followers. Then, once posted, tap on your story circle to view it. Or look for the highlight button at the bottom right corner of your story. Afterwards, tap on Highlight to add this story to a new or existing highlight album. Then choose an existing highlight or create a new one by entering a name. Within this section, tap on Add or Done to save the story to your highlights. Alternatively, you can now go back to settings and unhide your story from followers. Once completed, your highlight will remain visible on your profile, but the story was never seen by followers. Then you've successfully added an Instagram highlight without posting publicly on your story. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add highlights on Instagram without posting on story, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.